The International Labour Organization. The International Labour Organization (ILO) is a United Nations agency founded in 1919, with the mission to promote social justice and fair working conditions across the globe. It sets international labor standards and helps countries implement policies that foster decent work for all. Key functions of the ILO: setting international labor standards. The ILO drafts conventions and recommendations that countries can adopt to ensure fair labor practices. These standards cover areas like working hours, wages, workplace safety, and the elimination of forced labor. Supervising compliance. The ILO monitors how well countries implement these standards. It provides assistance and reviews progress through reports and visits to ensure compliance. Promoting social dialogue. The ILO fosters discussions between governments, employers, and workers' organizations. This tripartite structure ensures balanced decision-making, addressing all perspectives. Offering technical assistance. Countries facing challenges with employment, labor rights, or social protection can request technical support from the ILO. This includes policy advice, capacity building, and labor market analysis. Key activities. Conventions and recommendations. These are binding treaties, conventions, and non-binding guidelines recommendations that shape global labor policies. Global reports. The ILO regularly publishes reports on employment trends, labor market analysis, and the state of working conditions worldwide. Special programs. The ILO runs several programs addressing specific issues such as child labor, gender equality, and occupational safety and health. Impact of the ILO. The ILO's work has led to significant global changes. It played a major role in eradicating forced labor in many regions and has helped shape labor laws in both developed and developing countries. Its ongoing efforts continue to promote equality, protect workers' rights, and advance economic growth through fair labor practices. Recommendations for success. Stay informed on ILO conventions. If you're managing teams across borders, staying up to date on the latest ILO standards will help you ensure compliance with global labor practices. Embrace social dialogue. Encouraging open discussions between collaborators and leadership can mirror the ILO's approach to building stronger, more productive work environments. Support fair labor practices. Incorporating ILO standards within your organization's policies ensures the well-being of collaborators and promotes long-term sustainability. Conclusion. The International Labour Organization plays a crucial role in shaping fair, safe, and just labor practices worldwide. By understanding its functions, we can better appreciate how these global standards affect local workplaces and contribute to a more equitable labor market.